Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to import video, audio, images, and create sequences. Let's begin. Let's start. Double-click Import Media to start in the project panel. When the Load dialog is displayed, select the material, video, image, or audio, to edit and click Open. The material is displayed in the project panel. Next, let's organize these materials into folders by image, video, and audio. Click the New Bin button to add a new folder. You can change the name here. I named it Image here. Drag and drop the image material to the Image folder to move the material into the folder. In the same way, create a video folder and drag and drop the video material. Do the same with audio material. The material is now imported. Next, we create a sequence. A sequence is like a box that turns each piece of material into a single movie. Double-click the video folder to open it. Drag and drop the video material from the project panel to the timeline panel. Then the video is placed on the timeline. A new object like this is created automatically in the project panel. This is called the sequence. The name of the sequence is the same as the file name of the video that has been added to the timeline, so be careful not to confuse the two. The mark at the bottom right of the thumbnail will be the mark of the sequence. Change the sequence name so it is easy to understand and more clear. You've created a sequence. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.